Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, our podcast where America goes for funding for the last 20 years. Call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331. We're here to educate you, empower you, so you can get the best loan options in America. Today we're actually talking about sourcing large deposits. Hey, if you're trying to get a home loan and you're moving money around, did you know that it actually can affect you and you can actually get your loan denied if you can't source your large deposits? So we're going to actually talk about this because it's a 911 proactive measure for alert for all you guys out there. If you're trying to buy a home and you're getting a loan and you have deposits in your bank account, did you know if those deposits are over $1,000, the underwriter can ask you to show proof, the source of where that money came from? A lot of people, even before I got into the mortgage industry, I never knew that. I had no idea that lenders look at that stuff. So what I'm telling you, let's say that you're going to go buy a house for $300,000 and you have to bring $30,000 to close, and you send the underwriter your bank statement, and in your bank account it shows deposits for $4,000, $6,000, $10,000, $13,000. That's great, you deposit that money, but did you know that you actually may have to source and prove where that money came from? Let's say it's not from your payroll. Let's say it's from other things that you do. Maybe you do side hustles. Maybe you made a loan to somebody and maybe it was cash money, maybe it was mattress money. If you can't show proof of where that money came from, then it cannot be used for your loan. And if you need that money to close on your home, you could be SOL. So you got to be very mindful and tactful, because underwriters and lenders look back at the last 2 months of bank statements. And if the last 2 months of those bank statements don't jive, and you can't show proof of what you're depositing, it could affect you if you need those funds for closing, okay? So remember, for closing, you can't use loans for money for closing. So you can't go get a loan off your credit card or go borrow the money from someone and put that into your bank account and then use that for closing. That's a no-no, all right? So if you have these unverifiable deposits that go into your bank account and you're trying to use those for closing, it could affect you from you using those funds and being able to close on your home loan. So the bottom line, the takeaway is, first off, to make you aware of this. If you're making deposits into your bank account that are abnormally large, let's just say over $1,000, you better be ready to be able to prove where those deposits come from. No, that came from the sale of a boat. That came from my payroll. That came from a loan I made to somebody. Whatever it was, you better be able to back that up, because if you can't back that up, you may not be able to use it for your home closing. So being aware of it. And then the second step is, if you are using it for your closing, being able to have the documentation to show proof of where those deposits came from. Well, that came from a service that I did on someone's house. I did their landscaping. They paid me 10 grand. Show me proof of the bill of sale. They're going to want to see a bill of sale. Show me the bill of sale. I sold the car. Show me proof that you sold the car. The underwriters can ask for those things, and you have to be ready to show proof. If you can't show proof of that, they may not let you use that money for your closing, guys. So it's very important that if you're buying a house, you're getting a loan, and you're moving money around, to be mindful and watch this video to make sure you understand. And this video is actually asked to be made by one of our loan processors, Saeed, because he sees this all the time, processing people's loans and pitfalls that they run into. And obviously we care about people. So we're out here educating you guys out there in the world to show you what you need to know. Because if you are getting a loan and you're trying to buy a house and you can't source these large deposits, it's going to hurt you. And then if you can't use those funds for closing, then you're not going to be able to close on your house. So we're making this video because we care about you. We want you to close on your loan. So think about, if you're trying to get a loan in a house in the next few months, how to structure your deposits in your bank account accordingly to make it look proper and right to get your loan closed. Because if you have all these undocumentable large deposits and you try to say, hey, just use that, they're not going to just use that. They're not going to accept that. Think about every single deposit that's going into your bank account, and can you document and prove that income? If you can't, it may hurt you or stop you from using that income, and you're going to have to rethink what you're doing when you show those bank statements to your lender. So just remember that, because it's very, very important when you're getting a home loan that you're able to prove your deposits. If you can't prove your deposits, it may hurt you from you getting your home loan. So if we can help you with your home loan, that's what we do here. We specialize in residential home lending. Call or text us at the number above. We're a residential nationwide lender. you can reach us at 832-431-6331. We're here from you to help you and serve you. So please reach out to us. If you know anyone that's trying to get a home loan and they ran into issues trying to get funding because of this, share this video with them and let them know Angelo's here to help them. Reach out to us, or if you want to be proactive in the YouTube description, click on the link below to get signed up. We'd love to hear from you. Reach out to us. Remember, every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central, we do Talk with Angelo Live. We'd love to see you there every Thursday. It's an open forum to chat with me directly. Love to hear from you guys, talk to you about loans, finance, and credit, and everything like that. So thank you guys so much for watching Angelo Christian. Check out my next video, and thank you. Bye-bye.